So we're out here in this mess. You can see all the little ices. See Naya playing in the ice. So stop moving, Naya. But you can see how kind of thick it is.
It's shiny.
Yeah. I wish you could see. It's not enough light. Look at this fool driving on it. Oh, it's just crazy. I know, right? He's driving in it. It's crazy. And you can see it pelting my camera. It's pelting the camera. It's like super thick. And this is not, it's not snow. It's ice. It's crazy. Look how thick it's gotten.
Yeah, I almost slipped.
It's crazy. Alright guys, we're making a house. It's covered our water hose. Up the stairs.